Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need your Apple Watch charged and running watchOS 6 or later, and your Airpods in their case. First, keep your iPhone away so the watch handles pairing directly. On the watch, swipe to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and keep the Airpods case lid open next to the watch. Press and hold the pairing button on the case until the light blinks white. Once the watch discovers them, tap the Airpods name to begin pairing and follow the on-screen prompts. Once paired, the watch will show your Airpods as connected in Bluetooth settings. Make sure the status is stable. Next, open Now Playing or the Music app on the watch to route audio to the Airpods. Tap the output icon and choose them. If audio doesn't start, pause and play again, and make sure the watch's volume isn't muted. You can adjust volume directly on the watch or use the Airpods' built-in controls for play, skip, and calls. To finish, use the Control Center audio tile for quick switching between outputs and confirm the microphone is set to your Airpods during calls. If you need persistent playback, enable background audio in watch settings for apps like podcasts. If pairing fails, reset the Airpods by holding the case button until the light flashes amber then white, then repeat the pairing steps. This clears previous device bindings and resolves most connectivity issues. If problems persist, restart the watch and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.